A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
Good morning. Most of you are aware that churches in America are in a little trouble. Attendance is declining. In fact, statistics indicate that in the next 6 to 10 years, 1/3 of all the churches that currently exist in our country will no longer be here. Well, that's a problem. And the question is, can we turn those churches around? Is it possible to take a church that is struggling and teach it to thrive again? I think it all begins with good leadership. I'm hosting a workshop on November the 11th called the Turnaround Pastor. I'm going to be talking about the specific skills needed to take a church and turn it around, to help it become the productive and thriving congregation that it can become. I hope you'll tell your pastor. I hope you'll come and be a part of our workshop. Dr. Bill Wilson, who directs the Center for Healthy Churches, is going to be our workshop leader. He's got a lot to say, a lot of insight to share. Again, the workshop is November the 11th. Information's on our website.